Guys, so we're going to timpla. This is our barako. Ayan. This is Benguet barako, guys. Okay, so ayan. Benguet barako. And we have also here, guys, milk naman ng Janakis K. Ayan, so ang gatas niya, guys, is Bear Brand. Ayan. Ito ang gatas niya. Make his milk. Alam nyo guys, naubos na isang ganyan. Natakaw din siya sa gatas. Ayan, so we are going to timpla his milk. Ayan, so we're going to timpla his milk. Ayan. So, let's timpla. Hindi ko na nilalagyan ng sugar, guys, kasi matamis naman ang gatas. Ayan. And this is mine. Ito naman ang barako with sugar. Muscovado, guys, ang gamit K na sugar. Ayan. So, this one, guys, galing pa siya ng Basaw. And so, this is actually their product sa Basaw, guys. Ayan. So, tapos na, guys. Ayan. So, that's for my long video, guys. Making our milk and coffee with my son. So, thank you, guys, for watching all of our videos. Bye, guys!